If you feel like your money disappears the moment you get paid, you're not alone. And the truth might surprise you because it's not really your income that's the problem, it's your system. Most people believe that earning more money will solve everything. But even people making $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month still struggle to stay financially stable. And that's because money comes in and goes out just as fast, with no clear plan, no structure, and no control. And that's what keeps people stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Welcome to CashFlow Hacks, where we turn complicated money problems into simple, practical solutions you can actually use. And today, I'm going to show you how to finally break free from this cycle step by step. The first and most powerful habit you need to build is paying yourself first. This means that before you pay your bills, before you spend on anything, you take a portion of your income, even if it's just 10%, and move it into savings or investments. It doesn't matter if it feels small at the start. Even $50 is enough to begin because the goal here is not the amount, it's the habit. When you make saving automatic, you start building financial security without even thinking about it. But if you wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left, there will almost always be nothing left to save. The second step is identifying and cutting invisible expenses. These are the small, everyday costs that don't feel like much in the moment, but slowly drain your money over time. Things like unused subscriptions, frequent food delivery, impulse online shopping, or random purchases you barely remember. What you need to do is go through your last 30 days of spending and take a hard look at where your money is actually going. Once you do this, you'll start noticing patterns, and you'll quickly realize how much money you can save just by cutting out what you don't truly need. And this alone can free up a surprising amount of cash flow. The third step is creating a simple money management system that works for you. Instead of guessing where your money goes each month, you assign every dollar a purpose. A simple method is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and bills, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings and investments. This structure gives you clarity and control, and it helps you avoid overspending while still enjoying your money in a balanced way. And finally, if you really want to break out of the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, you need to focus on increasing your income. Cutting expenses is important, but there's a limit to how much you can cut, while there's no limit to how much you can earn. Start small by exploring side hustles, learning a valuable skill, or finding ways to make extra money in your free time. Even an additional $200 a month can make a big difference and help you build momentum toward financial freedom. At the end of the day, escaping the paycheck trap is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about taking control of your money and making smarter decisions consistently. Start small, stay disciplined, and over time, these simple changes will completely transform your financial life. If you want more practical strategies like this, make sure you subscribe to CashFlow Hacks and start building your cash flow the smart way.